Dear students, today's topic is definition of isomorphism with examples. I am going to define what is an isomorphism. Students of BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA, engineering all require abstract algebra. I am defining isomorphism with the help of an example so that the students will understand the concept clearly and easily. First of all, what is isomorphism? It is a function defined from one group to another group satisfying certain conditions. Let us see what are the conditions. Now, I will consider two groups. Consider two groups. First of all, the set of real numbers, which is denoted by R, and the binary operation addition. That is, we all know that R is a group with respect to addition. The second group I am considering is R plus. What is R plus? It is the set of positive real numbers with respect to multiplication. Now, a function is defined from R to R plus as follows. F is a function defined from R to R plus such that f of x is equal to e raised to x for all x belonging to R. What kind of a function is this? Let us see whether the function is one-to-one. All of you know what's a one-to-one function. How we will prove that a function is one-to-one? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2, the function is one-to-one. Let us consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then e raised to x1 is equal to e raised to x2. That is, x1 is equal to x2, isn't it? That is, the function is one-to-one. Next, we will find out whether it is an onto function. I think all of you know what is an onto function. F from R to R plus function defined as fx is equal to e raised to x. Let y be an element of R plus. Then we will find out what is the pre-image of y. If y belongs to R plus, what about log y? Log y is any real number belonging to R. Now consider f of log y. What is f of log y? F of log y is e to the power of log y, and e to the power of log y is equal to y. That is, if y is an element of R, there exists a pre-image. Y is an element of R plus, there exists a pre-image log y in R such that f of log y is equal to y. That is, every element of R plus is having a pre-image, isn't it? Therefore, what kind of a function is f? It is an onto function. Now we will show that if the function f preserves compositions in R and R plus. What is the composition in R? Addition. What's the composition in R plus? Multiplication. Let us take any two elements x and y of R. What is f of x plus y? Equal to e raised to x plus y. E raised to x plus y is equal to e raised to x into e raised to y, equal to f of x into f of y. So, f preserves compositions in R and R plus. Therefore, f is an isomorphism. See the example. I think all of you have understood what is an isomorphism. Now we can define what is an isomorphism. For a function to be an isomorphism, three conditions has to be satisfied. That is, it should be one-one, it should be onto, and it preserves compositions in the groups we are considering. Now we will define what is isomorphism. Let G be a group with respect to binary operation star, and G dash be a group with respect to binary operation dot. And f is a function from G to G dash such that f is 1, 1. F should be onto, condition number 2. Condition number 3, f preserves compositions in G and G dash. That is, f of A star B is equal to f of A dot f of B for all A and B belonging to G. Therefore, F is an isomorphism. This is the definition of isomorphism. I think all of you have understood what is an isomorphism. Thank you for listening. Okay.